I've only been shooting long range for a little over a year, but when I find something I like, I tend to overdo it a bit. So in that time, I've got to use a pretty wide variety of scopes and have been learning quickly what I do and don't like. The scope I've been most impressed with is doing the scope the justice it deserves on the clarity. The crispness and clarity of the glass is something I'm going to have a hard time getting across. But like the name implies, it's like the scope is in ultra high definition and everything else out there is still running on standard definition.